Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is floating point number. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. Floating point number is the third topic in data types and type conversion. Floating point numbers are positive or negative real numbers with a fractional part denoted by the decimal symbol dot. A floating point number can be represented in fractional form or exponent form. When a fractional part is denoted by a decimal symbol, then it is called a fractional form. When a fractional part is denoted by scientific notation e, then it is called as exponent form. Let's understand exponent form in detail. We are going to convert a decimal number to scientific notation. Consider a decimal number 23571.0. This can be written in scientific notation as 2.3571 into 10 to the power 4. When the exponent is a positive number, the decimal point moves to left, and when it is negative, then the decimal point moves to right. In this example, exponent is 4, which is a positive number, so the decimal moves to left 4 places. In Python, we can use scientific notation e followed by the exponent number. So this decimal number can also be represented as 2.3571 E4. Now let's consider a decimal number 0.0000521. This can be written in scientific notation as 5.21 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here exponent is minus 5, which is a negative number, so the decimal moves to right 5 places. In Python, this decimal number can also be represented as 5.21 E minus 5. A decimal number can be written in different scientific notation format. For example, here lowercase letter e is used. In second example, uppercase letter e is used. In third example, leading zeros can also be used. Fourth example, plus or minus signs can also be used. It is optional in case of plus. Python does not allow comma as delimiter. Instead, we can use underscore. Floating point numbers can have maximum size depending on your system memory. So the float beyond max size is referred to as infinity. In Python, it is written as INF. Let's do a demo on floating point number. This is a number with decimal point, and the data type of x is float. This is a negative number with decimal point, and the type is float. Let's write a decimal number using scientific notation. Though the number is written as exponent form, while printing it displays it as a decimal number. The decimal point is moved 2 places right side. We can also write e in uppercase, it is valid. We can also use plus or minus symbol leading zeros after e. You can see that the decimal point is moved 3 places towards left. Underscore is used as delimiter here, and this is equivalent to 1234.56789. This number is quite a large number. The max size of the number depends on your system memory. Beyond that, it is referred to as infinity. In Python, INF is used. Data types such as int, boolean, string can be converted to float type using float function. Let's convert an integer to float value. It adds a decimal part .0 after converting the value to float. Let's convert a boolean value to float. If the boolean value is true, then the output will be 1.0. And if it is false, then the output will be 0.0. Converting string to float value. String can be converted to float only when the string value has a valid float value. For example, 12.5 2E4 5. Strings such as ABC, XYZ are invalid. If no argument passed to float function, it returns 0.0. Let's create an integer and convert it to float using float function. Now let's convert boolean value to float using float function. And the output is 1.0. Now the boolean value is false and the output is 0.0. Let's convert a string value to float. Here the string must have a valid float value. Let's take another example. Here x is in exponent form and the output is 20000.0. In this example, the string contains an integer. Though it is an integer, it will be converted to float using float function. And the output is 5.0. Output will be 0.0 when no argument is passed to float function. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.